Okay,
Yeah.
start. Hello.
Morning, Raj. Yeah.
Hello, Bala. Hello. One morning. So, Bala, you want to just start? I mean, yesterday was another dampener.
Yeah.
So-
Because I need to start because the CSK never got started all
yeah,
through that match.
yeah,
Because both in terms of bowling and in terms of batting, they were not right there. See, let's start with the bowling itself. Absolutely, they had only five bowlers, very predictable. See, of course, Hazelwood was good. Karan Sam Karan, he came into his one, though there was one agonizing overthrow that he gave
yeah.
away 4 runs. That's a small thing which you can certainly see, except for those two overseas bowlers, none of those Indian bowlers performed to any level of satisfaction.
Yeah.
The real worry, because if you remember, Raj, the previous match, we talked of Ravindra Jadeja being the elephant in the room as far as CSK is concerned. And it was the same yesterday.
Yes.
He and apparently I just read on one of those sites that he's the first IPL bowler who has gone for over 40 runs in four consecutive matches in IPL. That's a very dubious record, and it shows he has been sorted out. He has been very predictable, and forget about being predictable. You, as a lay watcher of the game, you can see there were no variations in what he was just going there, just bowling it
So,
straight.
so let us put it in context. So let us put it in context. I mean, if you see, Akshar Patel on the other side was a pretty similar bowler.
Exactly.
Right? So I mean, both of them bowl fast. Both of them are good juice. I mean, that's
Besides the point.
That's the point. So yeah. So and they have similar things. The only difference is Akshar Patel is probably taller than
Exactly.
Jadeja. Akshar Patel goes for 18 runs in 4 overs. Jadeja goes for 44
40
runs,
plus.
44 runs in 4 overs. So that was the difference.
Exactly.
Actually, you are right. That was the difference. And in the other case, you had two leg spinners. One guy goes for Amit Mishra and Piyush Chawla. Piyush Chawla, 2.5 overs, 30 runs.
He managed to pull it back.
2.3 overs, 30 runs. 1.3 overs, 3 runs.
Exactly. He managed to pull it back.
Yes. He figured out something. He actually...
Exactly. I was about to come to that. Exactly.
And for me, the most important part was Amit Mishra.
Yes.
He gave 21 runs in 4 overs. But I have a bigger question for you, Bala. Where did the hair come here?
Exactly. I was not really sure.
Yeah.
I mean,
is he Amit Mishra or is he a doppelganger somewhere? Right? I've seen this guy before.
Yeah. But he is one of the real characters of IPL.
Yeah.
One of these days we must talk about him. I mean, his run out when the comical run out, farcical run out that he ended up in when he was playing for SRH is part of the IPL legend. But as a bowler, he's he's right up there, man. Both in terms of number of wickets, 3 hat-tricks. And yesterday he showed a lot of, within the limited range, he was good.
Yeah.
But it was against, CSK, it was a bit like a old thespian fluffing his lines on the big stage because you could see it. The chase never got going, man.
Yeah.
Never got going.
Yeah.
It was, in a sense, it was, at one level, it was farcical. At one level, it was pitiable.
See, what do you think? I mean, I heard Stephen Fleming say that without our, what is his name?
Dhoni?
No, our
Stephen Fleming?
Rayudu Garu.
Rayudu, yeah.
Yeah, Rayudu Garu, they said they were out of sorts. So, what do you think? I mean, what is your take about that? That's Fleming saying that after the match.
He said, because I didn't watch it, Rayudu's out of sorts. That's what he said.
No. He said without Rayudu, they are out of sorts.
Yeah, that is a fact. See, you obviously miss Suresh Raina's presence because, on looking back, they should have given him the balcony that he wanted. That could have saved them a lot of blushes.
Yeah.
See, except for Faf, none of the players. See, the core of the team is just revolving around Faf. You need to find 10 other players. Okay, Hazelwood and Karan are there. See, apart from those 3 players, you need to find 8 other players to match.
To me, also another thing that came up in my mind was that to me maybe Dhoni missed a trick in the half somewhere because if you look at how DC, I'm just going to Delhi Capitals. DC seemed to have 2 guys padded up all the time. Depending upon who got out, the other guy came in. Although I would actually have preferred, instead of Shreyas Iyer coming in, I would have preferred giving another chance to our
Hetmeyer.
no
It's Stoinis.
Marcus Stoinis, because he is on a high. So you need to
He's
take him higher. So as a
higher.
captain, maybe that is one trick he missed, or Ponting missed, or whoever missed. But then that's fine. I mean, it still didn't make things
That's
worse.
kind of a quibble.
Yes, that's all it is. I was just thinking. So it was, they kept the left right going. So here
Yeah.
he actually had a fantastic opportunity to bring Sam Curran in today, because see, when you are chasing 175 and you are again, I mean, the Murali Vijay, Shane Watson thing, I have not been able to figure out. They
Nobody.
happily score. Yeah,
They are
happily
not. I
score-
mean, they themselves are not unable to figure it out.
yeah, they happily score runs as if they are playing in a test match. Although Murali Vijay did go for a shot or two to, I mean, show us which we already knew. He's a good batsman, no doubt about it. I mean, what was happening to
exactly.
him, I have no idea. Shane Watson, same scenario. Maybe he'll play in the finals. Which finals, I don't know, because the way they are going, I don't know which finals they'll play.
They'll have a better run rate, but they'll have no wins to show for.
Yeah. So my thought was that, you remember those early pinch hitting days where you know that when the run rate is slow or the openers have started.
Yeah, obviously.
Number 3, Srinath has been a pinch hitter in ODIs, if you remember.
Exactly.
Srinath can do it.
I mean, if you go still back, Chetan Sharma, he
Yeah.
scored a century against England in one of those one-day internationals.
Yeah. So my point is that so I think somebody missed a trick, because this guy Karan was hitting the ball, middling the every delivery he faced.
Late.
He was middling the ball. I mean, you needed to get him out. So each match he actually brought that equation.
So, I mean, just to give a contrary view, I mean, I more or less kind of agree, but they probably thought somebody down, if by chance they had certain runs. So if somebody needed to give the propulsion at the fag end of the innings, probably Karan needed it.
I think that was Chennai's problem. They were looking at the propulsion. They forgot that you need to take off for that. No?
Exactly.
Take off the ground, man, and then we will propel. We will figure out. So
that didn't happen because at no stage they never showed the inclination to chase.
Yeah, you said it right in the beginning. They didn't fire, which is why you fired. Right?
Exactly. Right off the bat. I mean, it is silly. I mean, it's a champion team. But for a champion team to do things that you associate with, I mean, pardon me for saying this, that RCB usually does, it's kind of tough. I mean,
which is where the problem is. Which is exactly where the problem is. I think somewhere. I think I'm so sorry for the burp because early morning. So I think I have I think Rayudu coming in definitely might make a difference. I don't know. Like you said, it would.
It would.
More importantly, I think they need to look at the opening thing a little more carefully. See, again, poor Rituraj. You are actually having funny situations in this. 2 matches he gets run out both the times.
Both the times.
He might be wondering, like, when will these guys stop?
But he comes across as being very nervy.
Yeah, he is. So my point is, again, Bala, yesterday what I mentioned, you need to win the toss, bat first. He's an opener, right?
Opener.
He can open. So get the guy to open, man.
I don't know why they are not going for that.
Yeah, and perhaps Shane Watson, by the way, Shane Watson can bat in different places.
Exactly.
Right. Shane Watson, see, all his exploits with before he came to CSK, forget about the RCB. It's like Sehwag says, any international player goes to RCB. He needs divine intervention then.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
Somehow they sort of get the worst out of him for some weird reason. I don't know why.
Every player
without fail.
Exactly.
Rajasthan Royal days, when he was not captain, then he became captain. All of that time, he used to bat at number 3. He was not opening. And the guy is good. I think he is one of those clean strikers of ball where the sound of the ball on the bat is different.
Very different.
We realize, right?
See, it is time for CSK to test their bench strength. See, perhaps they can give a game to Sai Kishore. In place of, one problem with Sai Kishore is he's not as good as Ravindra Jadeja is in the field. Of course, Ravindra Jadeja is a standout fielder. It's very difficult to match his act as a fielder. But otherwise, as a bowler, when he is not, he is there primarily as a bowler. He can score runs, but he's not scoring runs. So it is CSK should take a gamble and go for Sai Kishore, and perhaps also try out Jagadisan. Jagadisan is a wicketkeeper batsman from Tamil Nadu. Then again, he is a bit iffy. He is not right there, up there, but he's in your team. Perhaps he's in your squad. Perhaps you can try him out in place of Kedar Jadhav, who also looks very out of sorts.
Yeah, we should also remember that Kedar Jadhav, like Dhoni is gifted. Kedar Jadhav probably is not that gifted. He has not.
Yeah, he's limited.
Yeah, Kedar Jadhav has also not had any cricket. You can make out that he has not had cricket, which is why I'm saying. You see Murali Vijay, he looks completely out of sorts.
See the entire team. You don't go the entire list because that will be huge. The guys only who look sorted out is Faf, Karan, and Hazelwood.
Yeah. So Faf is the unique part because I don't think he has played any cricket either. But then he seems to be sorted. He seems to be lean and mean and wanting.
He looks amazingly fit, man.
Yeah, extremely fit. You can make that out. My feeling is, I think next match at least they should. Dhoni has also in the past. I have always seen. I mean, in some cases, he's extremely.
He is the antithesis of Kohli. In the sense, he is very reluctant to change.
Yeah. He is extremely pig-headed about it. He'll change only when, the options run out. I think options are running out now. Because this IPL is going to be much closer than we think it is. Currently.
But if you have teams like CSK, it is not going to be close.
At least this CSK. I think
this CSK.
Real CSK needs to turn up.
Will they?
On the balcony.
Okay. That's mean and wicked, but that's right on the point. That's a good one. That's a good one.
So that's all I'll say. One couple of points about Delhi and then we'll wind up.
Exactly. You need to talk about Delhi.
Yeah. Delhi, I feel that Delhi, it's a sort of match made in heaven for Ricky Ponting. Because I don't know whether you noticed yesterday, there was one interesting episode that came. They showed Ricky Ponting and Mohammad Kaif sitting and having a laugh.
Exactly.
I think Vijay Dahiya was, at least it looked like Vijay Dahiya. It could be somebody else also sitting next to them.
Okay.
And because I've seen the guy. Dilliwala, no.
Dilliwala.
Yeah. And in front, I think who was sitting? Some other player was sitting. I don't remember who. Rahane was sitting.
Okay.
And so then the camera actually went and showed Stephen Fleming looking very pensive. These two guys had a laugh. Had a laugh after that because they also saw it on TV.
On the big screen. Yeah.
They had a laugh. Kaif said something and Ponting actually was slapping Kaif on the back and laughing loud. To me, that was explanatory. Look,
you think that the joke was on Fleming?
It was just too much to be not on Fleming. Okay, it was my imagination, but then you see.
Fair enough. Absolutely fair enough.
Even if it is not, I think somebody in the television crew did a wonderful job. That's all I'll say.
Exactly.
So where did that come? I think what these guys did was they kept 2 overs each of the fastest bowlers in the tournament. 2 of the fastest bowlers, not just fastest, because we have certain other fastest bowlers who can't bowl on the stumps.
Let's not go there.
Who happen to be from my city. I'm not going to take names.
Yeah.
So these 2 fellows do bowl at the stumps. They have terrific slower balls. And
variations.
Extremely good variations. Both are from the same goddamn team. And they play for the same national team. They know each other well. So 4 overs means by the time you are at the 15th over, there is only 1 over to go.
And if Ashwin comes back,
that also is gone. So and I have a feeling the Ponting and this guy, what they would do is they might just have 2 fast bowlers and 3 spinners going down the line, and with Stoinis acting as the 4th.
embarrassment of riches as far as the bowling goes.
I think, and Shreyas Iyer seems to be like. Cut out from the same cloth as Ponting is. So I'm quite scared about the way these fellows are going about it.
If at all, if you want to nitpick and if at all you need to point out some kind of an issue, Dhawan is still not firing the way he should be.
Yeah. So I would say Shikhar is not the one. But then
Yeah.
So
you don't have to say a bad pun. It's a good pun. All puns are good or bad depending upon where you see it from.
I felt bad saying it. I said, it's too old here. Because
he managed to score runs only because this attack was CSK's. Otherwise, against a better bowling attack, he would have gone.
And I think KP nailed it. KP had a huge laugh when he tried the switch hit. I don't think he practices this. And which was very obvious.
Very obvious. He was not fluent, but Prithvi Shah was fluent. Was
See,
poor.
Prithvi Shaw's again. I think we should just let him be. I think there are too many
Let him
people
be.
trying to guide him. He is 20 years old. He is not Tendulkar-esque. He is Sehwag-esque. We should remember that.
And I was not quite convinced with the Pant's innings. Though he put up the runs on the boards, he was not then again for firing the way that we have seen Pant can. Then again, as you said, for Prithvi Shaw, we should allow him to be what he is.
The Pant and Prithvi Shaw, the less said the better. I think the only thing that anybody can tell Pant, I think I'm sure somebody like a Ricky Ponting can be a great influence, because Ponting, every shot he hit, he never used to lose shape.
Exactly.
Balance. He never looks awkward hitting a shot, and Pant is exactly that.
Exactly
even and see that fantastic shot he hits by kneeling down and then off like that. I mean,
kind of a pickup shot.
He does it beautifully. But yesterday, even that he was messing up. So I think it is just this need to I need to do.
And again, one thing I can see is still he has in terms of fitness, is not there.
Yeah.
See, these guys, youngsters, they should be much more.
Shreyas Iyer seems extremely fit.
Yes, Shreyas Iyer, he works on his fitness.
Yeah, so that is where, see, some of these guys, Navdeep Saini, you see, he looks extremely fit.
Extremely fit.
Yeah, so that is something. See, that is part of the game today. I think in the fitness of things,
exactly
we'll finish it there.
Yeah, exactly.
And any last words, final thoughts?
Nothing. The time is running out, both for our program and CSK.
More for CSK. I don't think anybody watches us, so it's fine. Whoever watches, they'll bear with us. They are bearing.
So exactly. In a sense, we are slightly better than CSK these days.
So for all of you who are watching and bearing with us, thanks a lot. Keep watching and keep adding your comments. Have a good weekend. We'll see you again tomorrow.
And just a word on that Facebook Live. We couldn't go on Facebook Live due to some technical issues. We are coming through to
with Facebook.
With Facebook, exactly. Not with us. For once, we were on time and we were ready to go, but it's just that Facebook kind of screwed it up for us.
Yeah. So take care. Have a great day. Have a happy weekend and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, Raj.
Bye.